Okay, for today's video, we are going to make pasta negra. First, we are going to boil our pasta. I'm using squid ink pasta here. But also, if you don't want the dark one, pwede naman yung mga plain na pasta lang. Okay, for one serving, dito nyo siya masusukat. Sa first joint is equivalent of one serving. Second joint is equivalent of two serving. And the last one for three people. Then, we are going to boil for one serving only. Look at this. Okay. Okay, the packaging says uh, you can cook the pasta for 10 minutes. But ako, I always minus 2 para hindi siya labog. Okay, we're going to start our timer. 8 minutes is already set. So, balikan nyo ako pag natapos na to. So, nakalimutan ko pala maglagay ng asin, no? Mag-add lang tayo, just a generous amount like this. Pwede namang ihabol yan. Okay, habang nag-aantay tayong lumambot yung ating pasta, maghihiwa muna tayo ng mga ingredients natin. First thing, ito munang cherry tomato. Kakat lang natin siya into half. Ayan. As you can see, ang nakikita nyo is, what they call this, mint leaves instead of basil. Personally, gusto ko siyang ginagamit kasi natatanggal yung lansa ng ating seafoods and then nagbibigay siya ng minty flavor na nakakapag-refresh sa ating bibig. So, hihiwain lang natin siya ng maninipes or what do you call this? Chiffonade. Just a generous amount for us for one serving as well. Okay. Set aside lang natin. As you can see, no, meron na lang tayong 2 minutes remaining to cook our pasta. So, pwede na tayong mag-start maggisa sa ating sauce. Originally, ang nilalagay sa mga ganitong klaseng pasta is olive oil. Pero hindi ngayon available ang olive oil dito sa bahay namin. So, meron akong ditong plain canola oil na pwede natin din substitute sa olive oil. Just a generous amount. Then first, meron ako ditong naka-prepare na minced garlic. Saute lang natin. Okay, tumunog na yung ating timer. It means tapos nang maluto yung pasta natin. De-drain lang natin siya. But before that, kuha muna tayo ng some pasta water para mamaya. Just this 60 ml is fine na for one serving. Okay, next, once na nag-golden brown na yung ating garlic, we can add our shrimp. Follow our squid. Kapag nagluluto tayo ng squid and shrimp, tingnan lang natin agad and balik-balik na rin natin. Ayaw natin maging overcook yung seafood natin kasi rubbery siya kainin. Once na ganito na yung kulay niya, pwede natin siyang ihango. Balik lang natin yung oil. This is already flavored oil dahil sa garlic. We can now add our tomato. We can add our pasta. Then yung tinabi nating pasta water kanina, ilalagay natin siya ngayon para mag-emulsify. Shake lang, toss lang. Then, balik natin ngayon yung seafood sa kanina. Okay? Then, lalagyan natin ito ngayong mint leaves. Some are putting basil leaves, pero ako, prefer ko ngayon ilagay itong mint leaves. We're going to season it with salt. Just enough. Then, bago siya matapos maluto, mag-add tayo ng white wine para maalis yung lansa ng ating seafoods. Don't worry, hindi naman nakakalasing to. Kasi once na kumulo yung alcohol natin, mag-evaporate na yung alcohol. Then, add tayo ng pepper, black pepper. Just enough. Pwede naman tayo maglagay pag na-plate na natin yan. And then, I want it to finish with good butter. Just this amount is enough. Mix lang ulit. Okay, we're done. Balikan nyo ako pag plating natin to. Okay, magpe-plating na tayo. Kunin lang natin siya with tong. Tapos, ikot lang natin. Then, tilt natin yung pan into the plate. Continue rolling it. Swirling it. Sorry. Then, lagay natin yung remaining pasta na natira sa pan. Sayang yan. Okay. Seafoods. Okay, lastly, lalagyan natin siya ng parmesan cheese as we serve it. And then, this mint leaves just on top to garnish. Then, mag-wedge lang tayo ng lemon. Pang-garnish lang din. Remove natin yung seeds. Okay? We'll just put it on side. Just like that. And then, punasan lang natin yung gilid para maging presentable naman nating pasta. Okay. Pasta negra is done. Tikiman na. Oh, guys, tikman na natin. Lagat lang siya ng lemon. Mm. Ang sarap nito. Tamang-tama lang yung acidity ng lemon tsaka nung tomato para mawala yung lansa ng ating mga seafoods. So what are you waiting for? Try nyo na.